Let's bring in Mike Shorr, Prosper Trading Academy, for the final trade of the day. Mike, tell us all about your trade.
Hi, thanks for having me. I'm looking at gold here. Actually, after gold, we saw that kind of huge run up from the beginning of this month. And then we put it in a high, that would have been about mid-month, right, on the 15th or the 14th, up at 225. And what I did is I ran a fib distribution from that breakout on 4-1 to those highs. And we are on like a 61.8, which is a big fib level, which is at 211.80. So 211.80 in gold. Given everything that's going on with inflation, obviously gold can be a great hedge against inflation, and kind of the up in the air nature of what's going on with the Fed as far as rate cuts and everything like that. I think that a small trade in gold is definitely prudent here.
I'm so glad that you said a small trade in that gold ETF GLD, because gold is all over the news and the internet, but as a professional, hot stocks, or in this case, a hot commodity, can bring big profits or big losses. Explain more. Why are you trading a small amount of GLD?
I'm not I'm certainly not a big believer of all eggs in one basket. And remember that, gold is a flight to quality asset, just the same way that U.S. Treasuries are, or the U.S. dollar. Remember that gold is also, because it is denominated in U.S. dollars, it is largely a currency trade too. So the one thing that could mess this up is if the dollar continues to strengthen against things like the yen, which we've seen a lot of volatility and the BOJ stepping in here. So that is why this isn't buying levels that we haven't seen. We are actually, we're buying towards the top. But I think that, just given, if you're going to be active in other stocks, having a small portion as a hedge, which you could do with VIX, or you could sell the Qs or the SPY or something like that. But I think that there's a really good value to this trade.
Great trader talk. Thank you for that warning, Mike.
Thank you very much.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.